from downtown Cairo. Go Bus is the bus that I always use to travel to another city around Egypt. And Go Bus downtown is very close to Tahrir Square and the Egyptian Museum. I bought on the way to Hurghada the economy class, which is 205 Egyptian pounds. And on the way back, I bought the most expensive ticket, which is the Aero class, just so I could show you guys the difference. So the cheapest ticket being economy, the most expensive being Aero first class. But altogether, this costed me 665 Egyptian to go to Hurghada and back. I'm at a rest stop right now. The journey to Hurghada is supposed to take around 7-8 hours. A lot of the bus stops, when you want to use the bathroom, you do have to pay a few pounds. If you are looking to go to Siwa, which is out near the border with Libya, you have to go to Torban bus station, buy your ticket there. Hello guys, from downtown Cairo. I am here buying a bus ticket to a different city, to Hurghada. So I thought I would just show you guys how to do that if you are looking to travel to another city and not fly. You have trains that you can take to other cities around Egypt, but I usually take the bus just because it's cheaper and it goes to more places. The trains don't go everywhere, so I usually buy a bus ticket, and Go Bus is the bus that I always use. So Go Bus goes to a lot of different places: Alexandria and Hurghada, Sharm el-Sheikh, Dahab, Nueva, Luxor, North Coast, Marsalam. They go to a lot of different places, and you can check online for times, dates, and classes, but it's not easy to buy it online if you don't have an Egyptian card. So you can either ask your receptionist to maybe purchase it for you at your hostel and you can pay them back, or if they're not willing to do that, you come to this location. And Go Bus downtown is very close to Tahrir Square and the Egyptian Museum. That pink building just above the bridge is the Egyptian Museum. And you have the Radisson Hotel right here. So it is just in the like a 5-10 minute walk from Tahrir Square, just across from the Egyptian Museum, past all this traffic. But yeah, Go Bus. So my recommendation would be to look online for the times that you want, and if you can't find someone to purchase it for you and pay them back, just come here and buy your ticket. This is where you go. So Go Bus Egypt, you just come through here and go through here. Yeah? Okay. So that is where you can buy your tickets. I'm not going to film in there because people probably don't appreciate that, and there's really no point. I already bought my ticket, and the prices are different according to the class. And I'm going to show you guys that near the end of this video when I'm actually going to Hurghada. I bought it in advance, but you don't necessarily need to buy your tickets in advance. You can buy it, you can buy it maybe the same day, actually. 90% of the time you'll be able to buy it the same day. But if you want to make sure, be safe, feel comfortable, a day or two in advance is fine as well. Unless there's like a big holiday, then maybe you will have an issue finding a bus, but usually there's no issue with that. So they have a lot of different classes, like the most expensive and the fanciest is Aero first class. You have elite business, you have economy, you even have like these smaller microbuses, and those vary in price. I bought on the way to Hurghada the economy class, which is 205 Egyptian pounds. And on the way back, I bought the most expensive ticket, which is the Aero class, just so I could show you guys the difference. So the cheapest ticket being economy, the most expensive being Aero first class. You can tell by the price which one's the nicer class anyways. But yeah, the Aero first class is 550 Egyptian. So I will show you guys both. buses on the way there and on the way back. The seating in the room, the Aero First Class I've taken once before. Usually I take economy, but the Aero First Class definitely has a lot more leg room. So yeah, so that's how you buy your tickets, guys. You won't be able to buy it online, but you can check at go-bus.com for the cities. There's a lot more I haven't mentioned for the cities that they go to. But yeah, check online the locations and times. You can buy one way, you can buy return. And so altogether this costed me 665 Egyptian to go to Hurghada and back. All right, I am in the parking lot where GoBus leaves. So I bought my tickets over that way. You have the Ramses Hilton Hotel. GoBus, you buy the tickets, and in the parking lot here is where the bus actually leaves from. If you are leaving from Cairo, Tahrir, the location that you buy the ticket is not where you're going to pick up the bus. It's right across the street, busy street, but if you want to take a taxi to the bus where you grab it, you can just tell the taxi driver to go to Cairo, Tahrir, GoBus, but the garage. So, GoBus garage. And then they will drop you off and you don't have to cross that street, if that matters to you. So the location, right across the street from where you bought the ticket. So this is the bus I'm taking. And I think I gotta get on. So yalla, let's go. Hello. So I'm at a rest stop right now. The bus usually makes several stops, especially if it's a long journey. I think the journey to Hurghada is supposed to take around 7-8 hours. There's bathrooms inside, of course. For people that don't know, a lot of the bus stops, when you want to use the bathroom, you do have to pay a few pounds. There was no one there when I went in, but there was someone there on the way out. They didn't ask me for money, I just walked out. But you will usually be asked to pay a few pounds. And another thing that I forgot to mention about GoBus, or really a bus to different places, if you are looking to go to Siwa, you can buy it at the station that I showed you. Siwa is at Torgoman bus station, which is in a different location, but I will show you that, or I'm showing you this now on the map. So if you want to go to Siwa, which is out near the border with Libya, you have to go to Torgoman bus station, buy your ticket there. I'm not sure if it's GoBus or another company, but you can buy your bus ticket there and you'll figure out which bus company you are going with. So I haven't been filming inside the bus a lot because I want to respect people's privacy, but hopefully I can capture a good shot of this economy bus and you are able to see what it looks like. Alright, I am outside GoBus station. I changed my ticket. I did have an Aero First Class going back to Cairo, but it left at 2 in the morning and I didn't want to wait till 2 in the morning, so I went to GoBus and found an earlier time. I wasn't able to find the time I wanted when I purchased the ticket. So now I'm going back with Elite, which is just a step below. They refunded me 70 pounds. So that's the bus I'll be taking back. All very nice. I didn't really need to buy Aero, and I normally don't. It was just to show you guys. So you're not going to see Aero, you're going to see the Elite class ticket instead of like Aero First Class. So that's it. Waiting for the bus. Get on it soon. there being more leg room. Because if this person puts their seat back, it's gonna be a lot less. Anyways. So, I just want to get back to Cairo. Don't really care what class. Like I said, I normally take economy, but this is what the elite bus is like. This seems very similar to economy. Aero for sure is like a lot more room. Hopefully no one's gonna sit here and try to lean back. I'm gonna push back. Aero gives you more, but yeah, for a little bit more money, pay for elite or business class. Economy is also fine, like I said. I take that a lot, but I just wanted to show you guys GoBus, how it works, where it goes, how to get your tickets, and you know, just give you a glimpse inside them. Yeah, got some charging station here, movie, headphones, whatever. I'm just gonna watch stuff on my phone. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Check out my other videos. I have a lot of other information about Egypt, as I've been here for coming up on 2 years. So yeah, make sure to check that out, like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I will see you on the next one.